The sauna arrived in 3 boxes on a pallet. We assembled it in about 3 hours. The walls used a buckle to snap them together. All the holes for the radio/CD player were all pre-drilled. This is a wonderful home sauna. It was relatively easy to assemble and is great to use. OMG, I love it. It soothes all your aches and pains. I wear my wireless headphones in mine. It has a radio in it, but I listen to Pandora. Very easy to put together, and it didn't take long to get it after I ordered it. I am very happy. This spa is so good for the body and mind. We use it often. Click on the link below to see price.